Good morning everyone. I am Dr. Chetan Nagaraj, Consultant Orthopedic Surgeon at Sagar Hospital, Jayanagar, Bangalore. Now, as many of you are aware, today we are celebrating World Arthritis Day. It is celebrated on October 12th every year. The main intention of celebrating the World Arthritis Day is to create a global awareness regarding this multifaceted disease and regarding musculoskeletal disorders. Now, arthritis has a huge effect on the individual with both physical and emotional effects, disabilities. Now, what exactly is arthritis? Arthritis is not necessarily a disease sometimes. It might just be an age-related degenerative process where the joint cartilage gets worn out. There are many causes of arthritis. One of them, the most common one, is age-related, what we call as osteoarthritis. There are other causes like rheumatoid arthritis, post-infective arthritis, post-traumatic arthritis, psoriatic arthritis, but by far the most common we encounter is age-related osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Now, in these diseases, the quality of life of the individual is reduced, especially their ability to walk. They live in pain, so their patients are not able to enjoy their life anymore. Now, what can be done to prevent these arthritis and what are the factors that lead to arthritis? One of the most important factors is overweight or obesity. That has been a big problem in our community. So we need to make sure that we have an ideal body weight. We need to make sure that we keep our weight under check. There is something called body mass index, which is, if you had to calculate, it is weight in kgs divided by height in meters square. Normal BMI should be about 20 to 25. Anybody in 25 to 30 is overweight and anybody above 30 is called obese. So we all should strive to maintain an ideal BMI. It indicates what is our body's ability to carry load. So if we are overloading our joints, we are with a higher BMI, then we are predisposing ourselves. The other thing is osteoporosis, especially in postmenopausal women. Osteoporosis, the bone becomes weak, so it doesn't support your cartilage adequately. So we need to make sure that the postmenopausal osteoporosis is controlled, which is with a good diet, protein-rich diet, enough calcium supplements, and maybe adequate exposure to sunlight to keep our vitamin D levels normal. So I think a proper diet, which includes a high-protein diet, enough calcium supplements or calcium-rich diet, and getting exposure to sunlight to form vitamin D, all these three help to prevent osteoporosis. And thereby, if you have prevented osteoporosis, it also reduces your chance of developing arthritis. So these are a couple of things to prevent osteoarthritis. The third thing is, if you have any, because there is definitely a component what we call as post-traumatic arthritis, neglected ligament tears, neglected meniscal injuries or shock absorber tears predisposes to arthritis. So that needs to be addressed. Don't neglect your joint injuries. That is very important. Now, lastly, physical activity. Now, regular physical activity keeps your muscles strong. It maintains the flexibility of the joint and strengthens your muscle. So it is very important. But motion is life. So movement is life. So you need to keep moving your joints. Walking is a good exercise, but if you can do non-impact exercises like cycling, swimming, those are even better from the joint health perspective. But yes, walking is good. So if you cannot swim, at least walk. But if you can swim, if you have an ability or if you have an opportunity to either cycle or swim, that is probably better. So keeping your movement going, keeping your joints flexible, maintains it healthy for a long period of time, and strengthening your muscles makes you feel better. So these are the things you could do to prevent arthritis. And lastly, we think about management. We are always there to help the patients when they need us. When the joint pains become more, we are always there. The hospital is there. The doctors are here. So there are various things we could do for arthritis. surgery is not the only solution. There are a lot of other things like some simple medication, sometimes some knee braces, some injections into your knee joint. So all these options are there, which your doctor will suitably decide based on your condition. So on this day, the World Arthritis Day, the 12th of October, we would just like to create awareness that arthritis is a big problem. It is a leading be prevented by maintaining an adequate body weight, maintaining a good dietary pattern, and preventing osteoporosis, and do not neglect your injuries. With these things, stay healthy, have a happy life and an active life. Thank you.